Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to read lesson number 3, and that is Lorna Doone. The characters are John Reid, Lorna Doone, who were the robber. The background of this story is Exmoor, that was part of England. As the story starts, the introduction has been given. John Reid lived with his mother and sister in a lonely part of England called Exmoor. When John was 12, his father was killed by the Doones, robbers who lived in a nearby valley. Living with the Doones was a little girl called Lorna, who had been taken away from her mother by the Doones. This passage tells of John's first meeting with Lorna. Okay, as the chapter proceeds, we see that by chance John went to a Doone valley where he met Lorna. And when Lorna came to know that John's father was killed by the Doone, he asked him that he should also go home safely because he thought that Doones are chasing him and they wanted to kill him. So he accepted her suggestion. This chapter is very interesting. After reading this chapter, we will be doing words meaning and the sentences of the following word, and the words are wade up, steep, cramp, faint and set up. You have to write meaning and make sentences of the following word on your notebook. Okay, after that we have been given exercise A, that is on page number 13. You have to find out that whether the statement is true or untrue. You can do it very easily. After that you are going to complete another exercise, and that is finish these sentences. You can also do it very easily if when you will read this chapter 2 or 3 times, you will be able to complete all these sentences. Now we come to the grammatical portion, and that is preposition. As we all know that the preposition or the short word that are used to tell us about the position of something. For example, we have different type of preposition. For example, in, on, from, to, by, at, under, etc. Now when we talk about, for example, when we say that the ball is under the table, the book is on the table. Now under and on telling us about the position of the things. For example, the ball is under the table means ke ball मेज के नीचे है. The book is on the table. किताब मेज पर है. Okay. Similarly, now different sentences are given in this exercise. I have taken just 2 examples. He goes to school every day, but his younger brother stays at home. Now he goes to school. Now to school again is giving us information that he goes to school, यानी कि वो स्कूल जाता है. And his younger brother stays at home, यानी कि उसका जो भाई है वो क्या है, घर पर रहता है. Now the to and at are giving us information about the position of something. Please come and sit beside me. I want to talk to you. Now again beside and to are again giving us information about the position of something. And as we see that in all the example, preposition is placed between verb and a noun. Okay, now in the first example we see goes is a verb, to is preposition and school is a noun. The second part of the same sentence is stays again is a verb, at is preposition and home is a noun. So answers are also given on your textbook page number 15. When you will do exercise on your book, you will be able to know that how are we going to use them. Okay, you will be able to understand the uses of preposition on different position, and you will also see their meaning, that how are we going to use